Today we're diving into an epic AI battle, Grok 3 from XAI versus the latest version of ChatGPT from OpenAI. I'm going to be asking both of these Autobots one very important question. What's the fastest way I can make $1 million as a digital marketer? We'll compare their answers, break down their strengths, and see which one delivers the goods for real-world hustle. This is going to be a wild ride, so stick around. First, a quick intro to our contenders. Grok 3, built by Elon Musk's XAI, is the new kid on the block, hyped as the smartest AI on Earth with killer reasoning and real-time insights. Then we've got ChatGPT, the reigning champ from OpenAI, known for its polished responses and creative edge. I'll ask them both the exact same question, record their answers live, and judge them on practicality, creativity, and speed of execution. Let's do this. Starting with the new Grok 3. I typed in, what's the fastest way I can legally make $1 million as a digital marketer? Here's what it said. Launch a high-ticket digital marketing agency targeting niches like e-commerce or SaaS, which is software as a service. Offer a premium service like full funnel ad campaigns, charging $50,000 per client. Land 20 clients in 6 months by leveraging X for lead gen, showcasing case studies, and networking with high-value brands. Reinforce with webinars to scale fast. Boom. That's a solid plan. Specific, actionable, and uses real-time platform insights. It took about 10 seconds to respond, and I love the focus on X for hustle. That's super subtle, but could also be very important with the algorithm on X to push your content faster. Okay, now ChatGPT's turn. Same question. What's the fastest way I can legally make $1 million as a digital marketer? Its answer, create a viral online course on a trending topic, like AI-driven marketing, priced at $500. Build a funnel with paid ads, upsell a $2,000 coaching package, and aim for 1,000 course sales plus 50 coaching clients in 90 days. Use SEO and influencer collabs to drive traffic. Whew! ChatGPT went hard with a course angle. Super creative, detailed, and scalable. Response time, about 8 seconds. It's slick, but it's betting huge on virality. Not virility. That's a very different thing. So who actually wins this? Let's break it down. Grok 3's agency plan is grounded. High-ticket clients feel achievable if you've got skills and hustle. It's less flashy, but could hit $1 million in 6 months with discipline. ChatGPT's course idea is bolder, faster. 90 days is insane, but it's riskier. Grok 3 shines with reasoning and platform-specific tips, while ChatGPT flexes creativity and polish. For a digital marketer like me, Grok 3 feels more my speed. Practical and no nonsense. But if you're a risk taker, ChatGPT's got the edge. Honestly, both are sound strategies, and I've generated nearly 20 million online using a combination of both. It's what I teach my students in Subject Matter Expert Academy. It really all comes down to what fits your personality and experience, which can also be augmented by AI if you've never done some of these things in real life. What AI tools have you been using? What's your favorite one, and which ones were a total waste of time? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more digital tips, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll leave you with this view of 3 actionable words that I see daily in my office. Peace!